Understanding watch strap, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very specific but common phrase in English, watch strap. This phrase might seem simple, but it's used often when we discuss watches. Understanding such terms is important, not only for everyday conversation but also if you are interested in watches or fashion. So, let's dive in and explore what a watch strap is, its different types, and how to use the phrase in a sentence. A watch strap is the part of the watch that wraps around your wrist. It's essential because without it, you couldn't wear a watch like a bracelet. Watch straps are also known as watch bands or watch bracelets when made of metal. They come in many materials like leather, rubber, cloth, and metal, and can be a fashion statement or simply functional. Watch straps come in various materials and styles. For example, leather straps are classic and can be dressy or casual, depending on the watch. Metal bracelets often give a more durable and heavier feel, suitable for dive watches or luxury timepieces. Rubber straps are great for sports watches due to their durability and water resistance. Nylon straps are versatile and can be found on many military or field watches. Each type has its own advantages and can affect the look and feel of the watch on your wrist. When choosing a watch strap, you should consider three main things: comfort, durability, and style. The strap should feel comfortable on your wrist, be made of suitable material to last long, and match your personal style or the occasion where you will wear the watch. Now, let's see how to use watch strap in everyday conversation. I need to replace my watch strap because it's worn out. Do you prefer a leather or metal watch strap? This watch strap is too tight. Do you have a longer one? In these sentences, watch strap is used as a noun that refers to the item that secures the watch to the wrist. I hope this video helps clarify what a watch strap is and how you can talk about it in English. Whether you're discussing fashion, shopping for a new watch, or simply curious about English phrases, knowing terms like watch strap can be very useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.